Open source software began as a vision for technology, where technology was free to be shared, modified, and improved by anyone. From the early computing pioneers to the rise of the GNU project and the creation of Linux, open source was seen as a force for technological empowerment, giving individuals and organizations the tools to innovate without restrictions. For decades, the open source movement was dominated by Western countries, with developers in the US and Europe leading the charge in making software freely available to the world. These projects were built around ideals of transparency, collaboration, and decentralization, core principles that defined the open source philosophy and its role in shaping the modern. But today, a new force is redefining what open source truly means. China has taken the concept and reshaped it into something even larger. Not just a software sharing framework, but a way to democratize artificial intelligence itself. With AI research centers expanding across the country and new projects gaining traction, China is proving that open source is no longer limited to Western ideals, but is now a global movement. DeepSeek is at the forefront of this shift, introducing AI models that rival the best in the world. Unlike traditional AI systems that require enormous amounts of labeled data, DeepSeek's approach allows AI to learn through reinforcement alone. By removing the dependence on manually labeled datasets, DeepSeek's models can scale faster, learn more efficiently, and operate with fewer resource constraints, all while remaining open source. With China embracing open-source AI at an unprecedented scale, the global tech landscape is being reshaped. These models aren't just influencing local innovation, they're being adopted by developers, researchers, and companies worldwide. This signals a major shift, proving that AI accessibility is no longer controlled by a few dominant corporations, but is instead being shared and expanded upon by a growing international community. The open-source pioneers of the past dreamed of a world where technology was freely accessible to all. Ironically, it is China that is now leading that vision into the future, redefining what open source means for artificial intelligence. What do you think? Does this mark the beginning of a true AI revolution? Subscribe now and join the discussion.